You can hear it. All right. Got the tarp down. Let's do it. It's type M. There you go, 1.5 inches. Let's go turn the water back on. Water's back on. Wow, it's leaking. These are Nibco fittings. It's leaking. It's no good. Nibco, no good, garbage. I was hearing through the grapevine that Nibco fittings leak on the bigger size diameter pipes, and it's true. Okay, now we're back in business. Regular coupling for insertion depth. Slip skis. That's the way we're gonna do it. Let's hope this works, because that's type M ski. Yeah, it's the copper. It's this copper. I mean, I did it. It's leaking, Greg.
Is it really?
It's leaking. It is absolutely leaking. It's the type M. It's the type M, dude.
Hit it again.
Propress fails. You jet sweat it. And then we'll close this. Solder the rest on.
I've pressed M before and it held, but
I have two smaller diameter.
Yeah, smaller diameter. Yeah, 'cause you don't really
No
run across
leaks.
M